Personalizing learning through the use of technology. In most settings, students are expected to learn the material at the same time and way. Many find themselves either ahead or behind others. Some students need extra time to master the materials. Online learning, flipped learning, blended learning, and competency-based learning are changing the way we think about learning. Flexibility and delivery create opportunities with learning that adapt to the different needs of the students. Combining new learning model with courseware, integrated planning in advising for student success, and analytics can create a learning support to the students. The ability to use technology in teaching and learning has become necessary in educating the 21st century student. So, what you will learn from this workshop? This workshop provides the opportunity for you to experience on how to plan and create a personalized learning environment. You will be able to learn how to develop a learning experience with the use of technology, which will empower students to take charge of their own learning. Students learn at their own pace in a way that matches their own learning style, needs, and interests. You will also be introduced to the interactive approaches that will help the students in preparing engaging and meaningful activities for them. So, wait no more. Let's register to this workshop to experience excitement.